Now we have actually designed the positive test cases, right? See this? It is showing here. It is showing here, right? Define, execute, create new. We can create new test cases. We can follow the same thing, right? We can follow the same thing, but now we are going to actually the shared steps. Most important. Testing is super cumbersome shit you can think of in your lifetime. Sorry, because you have to, anything you do on the website, right? You have to log in. Anything. I'm just giving an example so you can understand quickly, right? So you want to buy a product, you have to log in, right? Otherwise you cannot. You have to change address, you have to log in. You have to delete the address, you have to log in. So anytime, any shared steps you see, you have a two options. One is you have to copy and paste, or you can create the shared steps. So in this tool, we give a functionality is called the shared steps. So you can create the shared step and you can refer with your, actually the dependency with your, like you want to remove the profile, actually you can, behind the scene, you can add this finger on this, that okay, this is my shared steps. Simple. So you do not need to write over and over. So shared steps means anywhere you need to execute a new functionality, but it is depending on the existing functionality, and you need to create the shared steps for that. That's it. What is the benefits? So you can call this out over and over to everywhere where you need it. Simple. So your life is beautiful. Your testing life will be easier. In Excel, you cannot do that. It's like this. Nothing will work. Excel you cannot do. That's the benefits of the using management tool. In Excel you can call it, but people will not see. People will have to do manually. So we'll be doing that. It's very powerful.